Darling, you send me, I know you send me.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this week in my life. So I just finished off like last week's vlog. You guys already would have seen that. Decided to just pick it right back up so that I don't get out of this groove of things, you know, like I have been giving myself a lot more crap when I don't vlog because then I really don't get anything done. But yeah, so I'm about to get some dishes done and then I'm going to go for a bath and read because I just finished yet another self-help book. So I think I'm going to pick a new book to start, reading. I don't know what I'm going to read at all. I have some nonfiction, I have some fiction, so I'm just gonna go through, kind of look at my bookshelf down here and pick one. I'm also going to put an order in on Amazon soon for some new books. Might find some on Kindle just so that I don't have to order them and I can just read them on my phone. Not as ideal, of course, but it works. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab my laptop, throw on some YouTube videos, and get some cleaning done. And then later on, I'm gonna play some Stardew Valley because, So I think I'm gonna reread this one, The Happiness Advantage by Sean Anker. I read it once already, but I feel like I did miss a few things. So I'm gonna go ahead and start reading this one. So I just had my salmon for dinner, had a bath, and I read my book, and now I'm just making myself a cup of coffee. I'm going to play my video game for a little bit and watch some Netflix. Just relax. So I'm at this weird part in this game. What? Hey guys, so Brett just got home. He brought home some McDonald's, so I finished eating that and I still have my drink, but that's it. Milo's being crazy and I'm going to edit a little bit, bullet journal, and then we're watching a movie, but I'm probably just going to talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. So, it is like 12 o'clock. Brett and I woke up. I woke up at like 9 and read my book and journal this morning. And then I uploaded my video. And now I'm going to go ahead and fold up some laundry and then go for a shower and get ready for my day. On the to-do list today is literally all that I have left is I just want to work on my blog, but I'm probably going to do that tonight so that I can relax a little bit. Before doing that, I'm going to be brainstorming ideas for my blog. I might just completely revamp it. I don't know. So we will see. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, fold up my laundry, pick out my outfit for the day, and we'll go from there. Hey, so I got dressed. I'm literally just wearing track pants today, but we gave Milo a bath. Him had a bath. We didn't use any soap or anything. We just like put him in the bath water, but. So I'm just about to pour myself another cup of coffee. It's like 2 o'clock now. Brett's going to work soon. Then I'm probably just gonna play a little bit more video games, and then tonight, like I said, I'm going to work on my blog. I haven't worked on it like at all, so like since I moved at least. So time to go play some Stardew Valley. Alrighty guys, so it is like 6 o'clock now. I set an alarm so that I would still be able to get some blog work done and make my dinner. But I think I'm gonna go for a quick shower and just warm up. I'm very cold. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower quickly, and then once I'm out, I'm going to make myself something to eat. I'm gonna have some salmon, and then I'm going to work on my blog and write some posts up maybe. I don't know, but we will talk in a little bit. Milo's having like the biggest cat nap ever. He's so sleepy. He loves this blanket, and I can literally like wrap him up in it. And he'll just stay there. My little burrito cat. Hey guys, so I just realized that the salmon that I meal prepped has officially gone bad, so I can't eat that. I'm gonna have to figure something else out. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and probably just get Brett to pick me up something somewhere just quickly because I'm really hungry and he's gonna be home soon. And then I'm gonna go ahead and work on my blog, edit, and bullet journal. I woke up this morning pretty early. I woke up at 7 this morning. I read my book, journaled, had a shower, got dressed. I edited, and now I'm gonna play some of my video game before Brett and I make some breakfast. And then later on, we're gonna clean the apartment. And so now I'm going to go ahead and sit here for a few hours, probably, honestly, probably until like 9 o'clock, and edit, work on my blog, stuff like that. So I'll probably just talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's a lot later. I ended up falling asleep and having a nap. It's like 11 o'clock. I'm about to pass out and go to bed. This light is like super bright. But I'm about to pass out and go to bed. I will just talk to you guys in the morning. I got a lot of editing done today
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kiss.
Good morning, guys. So, Brett and I got some chairs set up outside for us. When I'm done my coffee, I'm gonna go in and go for a bath, I think. But yeah, it's really nice out. It's kind of nice and breezy, but it's still nice, so. But yeah, just gonna have a relaxing day today. I need it. I'm just feeling like reading and sitting and relaxing, so. Alright guys, so I just had a bath. It was really nice. I was in there for like an hour and a half though. I'm really tired, so I'm probably gonna go for a nap, and then I'll talk to you guys later on. Hey guys, so I didn't have a nap. I kind of just laid in the couch and like just kind of dazed. I just thought I'd talk about some of the things that are kind of just going on. Like, quarantine isn't easy. Staying in isn't easy. Honestly, it's really messing with me. Mentally, I'm finding myself very anxious right now. I'm finding myself very emotional. And next week, Bentley would have been 10 months old. And I know I don't talk about it a lot on here because now that I am mostly doing better and having mostly better days, it's just hard to not, like, I just don't want to make this a negative place. But it's been 8 months since I held my baby, and it's hard. It's very hard. But I'm trying to, you know, take everything still day by day. It's kind of always been my motto since everything happened. When we lost him and when he passed away, everything, it's kind of just been take everything minute by minute, day by day, and that's what I'm still doing. I'm just gonna try and throw on some music. I'm going to go for a shower. I'm going to relax. I'm going to get out of this mood. And then Brett and I are just gonna have a relaxing night tonight. So I'm really glad that I can come on this platform and I can talk to you guys about, you know, what's going on. And I mean, everybody kind of, if you have seen the videos when he was here, you know, those I feel like were my best vlogs. They were my best videos. I was in the best place ever, and it's not easy making videos without him, but it's nice to have this platform and be able to actually talk about it when I need to talk about it. So anyways guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys in the next video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to comment down in the comments below. Let me know any videos you guys want to see from me, and any questions you guys have, anything, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.